convert what is complicated into quick, short, and simple. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. You are the man of value. You are a great person when you are able to introduce other people with short, quick, and simple message or information. If you are able to make something from very complex and complicated into simple, then people will be able to understand you, follow you, and form from the thought, from this simple thought, an emotion, and emotion will be possible to sustain, but only if you are really able to make it quick, short, and simple. Life is simple if you make it so. If you make it complicated, if you talk too much, that's all complicated. People get overwhelmed, there is too much information all around you, but you need to live your life simple. Make things simple and people will pay to you when you solve the complex problem into the quick, short, and simple message. That was Primoz, and I hope that you enjoy your day further. Bye.